everyone. In last class, we learned Unit 3 Prose, My Beginnings, half lesson we did in last class. Is it? Today I am going to continue the lesson. See here children, My Beginnings, this is the extract of Straight from My Heart autobiography of Kapil Dev. I said you, he is one of the most great cricket player and captain. He became captain for Indian team also. Under his captaincy, we won first World Cup, Prudential Cup, conducted in England versus West Indies. We won that cup. See here children, Kapil Dev, he was very naughty. When he was a child, that time he was so naughty. His mother was unable to control him. And as usual, how the children having their habits, bunking the classes and all, playing with children and everything, whatever in childhood you all are doing, no? Like so, he was also very active. He won't sit in one place. He was so much active and he had two goals of his life. First one, he wants to travel worldwide, and second one, he wants to drive Mercedes Benz car. With the grace of God, he achieved that two goals of his life. And actually, he wants to become football player, but fortunately, what happened? His friends forced him to join cricket, and he is become medium pace bowler and batsman, all rounder. He is totally all rounder in cricket. So children, here today I am going to continue the next part. In first part, what happened? They were going to steal the fruits from neighbors' trees. One day what happened? When there was a lady in her house, she had a big garden and so many fruit plants. One day what happened? They wants to steal the fruits from their garden, and two, Kapil Dev and one more his friend, they climbed the tree, papaya tree. That time only that lady came outside with her guests, and she sat downside the papaya tree only and offered a tea for guests. That time what happened? 2 hours that lady chatted with them, but that 2 hours Kapil Dev must be on the tree only, because if he came downside, that lady will see him. So by frightening, he climbed there only and he stood there only on the tree. But his two more friends who are out of that compound wall, they ran away from that place. And next what happened? See here, page number 48, fourth paragraph. I had a hard time explaining it to my mother, but I got even the next day when our neighbor went to Delhi for a couple of days. See, he didn't tell anything because it is very hard to tell to his mother. But what happened? They want to steal the fruits from that lady house, no? What happened that time? That after 2 days, she went to Delhi. Couple of days means 2 days. Couple means 2. 2 days. She went 2 days. She went to Delhi. That time only these children all are waiting to steal the fruits from her garden. Fortunately, what happened? She went 2 days to Delhi. She had 92 pomegranates on the tree in her garden. See, 92 pomegranate fruits she had in her garden. She was counted that one fruits, how many fruits are there in which tree, she did count also. What happened? Then on pomegranate tree, that tree had 92 fruits. She counted them every day because she knew we were up to mischief. See, mischief means bad behavior of a child. she know very well that colony about colony children. That she know very well. One day they will definitely steal the fruits of from my garden. So what she was doing daily, she was going to count the fruits. Luckily, what happened? She went 2 days to Delhi. That day they were waiting. All children are waiting to take the fruits from her garden. But she counted that fruits. That pomegranate were 92 pomegranates were there in the tree. As soon as her back was turned, we took down all 92, ate whatever we could, and distributed the rest. See, when she went to Delhi, immediately all children went to her garden and taken all 92 pomegranates, and they ate something and distributed to others also, and they were taken each and every pomegranate, 92, all 92 pomegranates they taken, and something they ate and something they distributed to other friends. I remembered the walloping I got from my mother when she was told about it on the neighbor's return. See, when she came back, she became very sad because she was so much pride about her garden. That 92 pomegranates, no pomegranates remained on the tree. What she did, she told around the neighbors, she said everything, that children steal the fruits and all, she said. That neighbor said to Kapil Dev's mother that news, and she beat him very nicely. Walloping means hitting. To hit somebody. See, Kapil Dev's mother became very angry by this naughtiness of Kapil Dev. What she did? She hit him nicely by listening this news from the outsiders, neighbors. When they said your son stolen that all pomegranates from that lady garden, means she became very much angry and she hit Kapil Dev nicely. Now that very lady with great pride and affection tells anyone who cares to listen how I had taken 92 pomegranates from her garden and left the seeds behind. She was telling that when Kapil Dev's mother hit him, that one also that lady told to everyone in the colony that that boy stolen pomegranates from my garden, and his mother gave him nicely beatings. This type she was, that one also with pride she was telling to everyone in the colony. See children, here after this paragraph question and answers are there. You have to do that one. Later on I will give notes about all these. The other really naughty thing I remember doing is riding the police horse that were left in the huge open green areas to graze. What happened next? That naughtiness, see, it continued. According to his age, naughtiness continued to him. Next, what they did, there were police horses. That time, police were using horses to ride. That to go anywhere, the police they were using the horse. What they did, they left that horses in one big ground to graze the grass. To eat the grass, they made horses left there. A few of my friends and I would go there regularly and try to ride them. Regularly means often, always, again and again. Regularly means often, again and again. His friends and Kapil Dev, they were going to that ground to ride that horses. See here, that horses belongs to police. And they left that horses there to graze the grass. That these guys, naughty guys, they were going there and they wants to ride the horse. They were trying to ride that horses. They were huge police horses, not used to clumsy. Children scramble on them. But despite innumerable faults and many a fright. See here, clumsy means careless. They were so much careless. It is not possible that horses, police horse means they were very big and strong horses. That these boys, they were very short. It is impossible to ride them. But also they were trying to ride that horse. Clumsy means careless. They were careless about themselves. What happens? That horse are very big. It's not easy to climb them. Then also they won't care about themselves and they want to ride the horses. Children scrambling on them, but despite innumerable falls and many a fright. See, scrambling means to ride, to climb quickly, scrambling. To climb quickly. That children, what they were trying? They were trying to climb that horse. They want to ride that horse, but they were very big horse. That police horse is very big and height, strong horses were there. And but these children, they won't leave. They were very careless about themselves. At any cost, they want to ride that horse. So what they were doing? They were wants to climb that horse quickly. And what happened so many times? Innumerable means uncountable. Innumerable. Uncountable times. It's impossible to count. So many times they fell down from that horses, but also they won't leave. They want to ride that horse. They fell down so many times. Then also they were at any cost they want to ride that horse. So much naughty Kapil Deva and his friends. In fact, even today I am quite comfortable on a horse without a saddle, as that was very weight. Saddle means a seat. Saddle means seat that using on horses. To sit, they will put that seat on the horse. Usually that one made up of leather. Leather seat that one using to put on the horse to sit, that is calling as saddle. That now also, when he was small boy, no, that time he tried to ride the horse. He did also that one. But now also he is comfortable in riding the horse without saddle. Saddle means without the seat. He is ready to ride now also. Once we had learned to master the horse, we became more courageous and ventured out of the fenced area with horses. See, what they did? At last they learned riding the horse and now became very courageous. Now they become very courageous to ride that horse. Ventured means to do something. Ventured means to do something. Okay, after they learned to ride the horse, but what they did, they want to do, they won't leave that horse. They want to do something. Nobody would have noticed except for the fact that I bit off more than I could chew. I decided to take the horse home and house him in our back garden, which was about 700 square feet inside. See, no one thought about that thing that Kapil Dev wants to take that horse to his house and he wants to tie that horse in the backyard. And the backside of their house there was 700 square feet place was there, and he wants to tie that horse backside of his house. No one thought that Kapil Dev is thinking in this manner. His friends also didn't thought that he will do like this type. The horse could probably have been tethered there, but I hadn't anticipated the struggle I would have in getting the animal through the teeny 5.5 foot by 2 foot doorway. See, without telling to his parents, he taken that horse. He wants to tie that horse backside of his house without taking permission of his parents. He brought that horse. It was very big horse, but he brought in a small door where he brought that horse to his home. We were caught within minutes of our arrival. The horse, of course, was duly returned and chiding. I received from my father, discouraged my venturing near the grazing fields again. See, within few minutes only they caught. They brought that horse to Kapil Dev's house. They wants to tie that horse backside yard. But what happened when they brought that horse to near the house or backside of the house, they immediately caught by his father, and he punished him nicely, and again he won't go to that ground only to ride the horse. I was never very studious and always preferred to spend my time playing games and participating in athletics where I could use my energy. Studious means spending more on reading. He won't read more. Spending time. Spending time on reading. See here children, Kapil Dev wants to play. He had more interest in athletics and other games, but he was not so much serious about his studies. I went to small local school that had few cricketing facilities. He studied in a small village school that was not big or boarding school or like so. It was a small school in a small village. He studied there. Kapil Dev studied in that small school. But there was also a small cricket team was there to play the cricket. The games they offered at that time were basketball, football, table tennis and hockey, probably because all they required was a ball, a couple of sticks and a net. That time in school that they were playing basketball, football, tennis, table tennis, hockey, because all these things needs on ball, sticks and a net. So they were playing such a type of games only in that area, in that school area. I was fairly good at all games, exceptionally good at athletics, but dreamed of becoming a footballer. See, actually his dream was to become a footballer. But what happened children? He became a cricketer, great cricketer. See here, what happened that actually he was not so much perfect in athletics. He wants to play, he likes to play group games like football, hockey, this type games he was playing. But actually his dream was to become a footballer. I worked hard at the game and was selected to play for my school. Fortunately, all my friends were interested in and played cricket and convinced me to change my game. See, for what happened, he wants to become footballer, and that school selected him to play the football. They were played inter-school also, that football. They played inter-school competition also, they won. But what happened children, that his friends, some of his friends were playing cricket, and they told Kapil Dev to change his interest from football to cricket, and they want him to play with them cricket only. So what they did, they convinced, they told to Kapil Dev to change his game. Instead of football, they convinced him to play the cricket. This is a decision I will always be grateful to them for, as they unconsciously introduced me to the game for which I was made. See, he don't know that he had a future in cricket. In future days he will become great cricketer, but he don't know that one. What happened? His friends forced him to change the game from football to cricket. He did so, but he don't know that he had such a great future in that cricket game. He is telling my friends, they told, I am very lucky to get them as my friends. They changed my career fully, and he changed his game and his future become very bright and great. Slowly, almost imperceptibly, I switched from the one game to other and began to spend a lot of my time on the cricket field. Imperceptibly. Imperceptibly, what happened? He gradually. Imperceptibly means gradually. Imperceptibly, what happened, children? Gradually, he changed his game from football to cricket, and he started to spend more time in cricket only, and he started to practice more bowling and batting. This type he changed his choice. Naturally, I played in a number of inter-school tournaments and came to be noticed as a promising lad. See, promising lad. When he was playing in small age only, he started to play inter-school cricket competition, and in newspapers that they said him as a promising lad. Promising lad means in future he will become great person. Promising person, promising boy. He is doing hard work and he will in future become great personality to our country. This type they started to write in newspapers about Kapil Dev. Bright, hopeful. That a promising lad means in bright, he had a bright future, or we can keep hope on this guy. This type they started to write about Kapil Dev in the local press. But it was all merely fun to start with. I could never have imagined where cricket would lead me, and I certainly had no plans then of becoming a professional at all. See, he don't know that one day he will become great cricketer or a famous cricket player, and under his captainship we will get the World Cup. No idea. He didn't have any idea about cricket and no dreams about the cricket, and he don't know what will happen in future. But see, children, when he changed his game from football to cricketer, now he became a wonderful Indian cricketer, and see, he played so many tests, one day matches, and under his captainship first World Cup India won the World Cup. Okay, see, this type we don't know. You are so small children, you don't know what you will become, how big personalities you will become, how good citizens you are becoming to our country. But you don't know that, so you do hard work. In which field you have interest, you do hard work, and you will want definitely in your future career. Okay, we should do the work hard, whatever it may be, we should do the work hard. So what happens here, children? We should have one dream. We should have one dream to achieve something in our life. Then we can go in that way and achieve something. I wish you also become very great personalities and great citizens of our country like Kapil Dev. So children, now this lesson completed, and I will give notes of this lesson. I hope all of you understood. I want to tell to you children, you read the lesson again and again and glossary. Okay, then you will understand lesson more and more, and it will be easy to write you question and answers. Okay, afterwards I will send the notes to you guys. Thank you.